To enable Google Authentication in Binance, start by logging into your Binance account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section, which can be found by clicking on the profile icon at the top right corner of the page. Then selecting Account from the drop-down menu. In the Account Settings section, click on the Security tab and scroll down to the Two-Factor Authentication section. Here you will see the option to enable Google Authentication. Click on the Enable button next to Google Authentication. You will be prompted to download and install the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device if you have not already done so. The Google Authenticator app is available for both Android and iOS devices and can be downloaded from the respective app stores. Once you have installed the Google Authenticator app, open it and click on the plus icon to add a new account. Scan the QR code displayed on the Binance website using the Google Authenticator app, or manually enter the secret key provided. After scanning the QR code or entering the secret key, the Google Authenticator app will start generating a 6-digit verification code that changes every 30 seconds. Enter this code on the Binance website to complete the Google Authentication setup process. It is essential to keep your Google Authenticator app and the device it is installed on secure, as anyone with access to the app will be able to generate the verification code required to log into your Binance account. It is also recommended to save the secret key provided during the setup process in a secure location, such as a password manager, in case you need to reinstall the Google Authenticator app or access your Binance account from a different device. By following these steps, you can enable Google Authentication in Binance and add an additional layer of security to your account. This will help protect your account from unauthorized access and ensure that your funds are safe.